What's up, this is Lionel, aka Crypto Maniac. And I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you guys regarding a platform that I will be getting into. It launches on December 15th, as you can see. It's called Daisy. So this platform is actually getting lots and lots of traction right now. There's lots of people that are getting ready to take advantage of getting in at the very beginning of a platform. And I've seen platforms like this before, and the people that do quite well usually get in once this thing gets started and kind of build from there. So you definitely want to have that first mover's advantage and get into this thing as soon as it launches. So I'm gonna actually have my Telegram group here in the comment section. So what you want to do is get on my Telegram group, where I can actually continue to update you with information as it comes out. So there's not a lot of information. I mean, there's information about the platform, but it's not something that they're sharing on social media or anything like that right now. We do have, videos about the platform, but we're kind of just keeping it, private in our groups and things like that for now. They don't want us to really put a lot of information out on social media yet. So if you want to know what this is about, definitely, like I say, join my Telegram group. This thing is going to be very, very big, and I know it's definitely going to go viral. So some of you may be familiar with it or may have heard about it. I'm trying to get be one of the first ones to actually have a link for Daisy. Again, that first mover's advantage. So the links are going to be released in different times. So I want to, definitely try to make sure that myself and my team get signed up as quickly as possible, because then, it's just going to be, tons and tons of people sign up after that. So it is a passive income opportunity, so you don't have to recruit to earn in this platform. It's 100% passive. However, for those of you that do join, the amount of money that you and recruit or bring people in or share the information, the amount of money you can make is going to be crazy. So I'm definitely excited about this one here, and I'm looking forward to it. Again, as you can see, it launches on December 15th. So like I say, join my Telegram group. Get ready, guys. This is going to be a banger for sure. So just like I said, if you have questions, everything that I'm having is going to, have, like I say, will be in my group. So you need to make sure you get in there. And, just put a message in. If you do come in, put a message in saying, hey, you came from my YouTube channel, so that way I can direct you to the video where you can know where to go to look to kind of see how the platform is going to work. But this thing is going to be huge, huge. If you don't get in this one, man, you're just asking to miss out on a bunch of money. Again, it's passive. You do not have to recruit or anything like that. But if you do, man, get ready. Get ready is all I can say. All right, guys. Well, that's it for now. Like I say, join my Telegram group to keep updated.